lift the hips. And some of you might have heard that one, quite a common one, lift the hips, but I was just super excited because anybody that ever struggled with rolling up from lying down can now do it. Just with awareness, just a thought of lifting the hip bones. So we started with a little bit easier one, but before you even start, and this goes into Navasana, in your handstands, any inversions, when we rolling back, Abayu Padangustasana, to get yourself or your balance in Upavista, it's all there, hip bones up. So we start here using the hip bones already. Suck the belly down, ribs relax, shoulders relax, and head back. Now you breathe and you roll each vertebra down, and already you've got a very strong lower tummy. Then when you're ready to come up, you lift your head and your shoulders and your arms come forward, and you lift your hip bones to come up. Because when you say push down, it contracts the muscles, which inhibits the mobility. As soon as I use the words hip bones up, the muscles seem to be more relaxed so that the pelvis can actually move. You can try that in a straight leg position. As soon as you're ready to come up, you lift the hip bones. So you're pulling on the stomach muscles.